Okay, everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Eka Marcella. Uh, I'm from fourth semester at English department. Okay, here I would like to explain to you about how to answer listening TOEFL test. Okay, well, the verse about general tips. Okay, the first, be familiar. You must be familiar with direction before you follow TOEFL test. And then B, read answer choice. You must read the answer choice of question when the narrator read aloud direction and example of question. And then C, focus. You must be focused and listen carefully to the conversation and speech, and because you just listen one time. And then D, now the easy and difficult. You must be know where the easy and more difficult question are generally from. And then E, remember. You must remember, never leave any answer blank. If you don't understand all, you just answer be best your feeling. Okay, next about part A. Part A is a short conversation. The general tips is focus. You must be focused and listen carefully to the second line. And then, don't be panic. Don't be panic if you don't understand word by word in a complete conversation. Only focus to keyword and the content of the conversation. And then, never choose. Never choose an answer because it sounds like you hear in a conversation. And then understand. You must understand about functional expression such as about, agreement, suggestion, and surprise. And you must understand about idiomatic expression and situation. And then remember. You must remember, never leave any answer blank. And then I will give you some example for short conversation. And here, woman, pardon me, do you know what time that this store opens? Man, I don't, but I believe that it is written on the door. Narrator, what does the man imply that the woman should do? So, if you when answer the listening TOEFL test, you must be focused to the narrator, must be focused to question of narrator. And then about part B. Part B is long conversation. The verse A, when the narrator. Okay, when the narrator talk about part B, you must read the answer choice and then you record and think about what is thema or topic that they talk. And then now topic. When you listen to the conversation, you must know about topic or thema that they talk. And then be careful too. You must be careful to all questions. And then understand. You must be understand about condition and situation such as about place and time talking, and then about what and about who. And then remember. You must remember, never leave any answer blank. And then part C, Part C is speech. First, have many time. If you have many time, look at the answer choice and then you find keyword, and then be careful to speaker. You must be careful to speaker of for a sentence because usual become topic to the continuous sentence, and then focus and listen. You must be focused and listen to 5 questions such as about what, who, why, when, and where, and then make a mind idea. Okay, you must make a mind idea and a conclusion of speech. And then last about remember, you must remember never leave any answer blank. Okay, everybody, that's all my explanation about how to answer listening TOEFL test. Okay, thank you for your attention.